Hello guys, today we are going to look at solution of simultaneous equations for three unknown using determinant. So we are given 3x plus 4, that is, this is 4y, sorry, this is a error, should it be 4y plus z is equal to 10, 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0, then x plus 2y minus z is equal to 6. So to calculate this, first you need to write the equation in this form. Write equation in this form. So we have 3x plus 4y plus z minus 10 is equal to 0. Then 2x minus 3 plus 5z plus 9 is equal to 0. Then x plus 2y minus z minus equal to 0. The solution is given in by step 2. This is the formula. This is the formula for getting the value of x, y, and z. So dx, we have dx. So dx is given by determinant of coefficients left, when x column is covered. Then dy is given by determinant of coefficients left when y column is covered. Then dz is given by determinant of coefficients left when z column is covered. So these are the, so we start with the dx. This is a dx is given by determinant of coefficients left when x column is covered, x column. So meaning we are left with, we have 4, -3, -2. It is our first column. Then the second column we have 1, 5, -1. Then the last column we have -10, 9, 6. So we'll have this one. Then so we calculate the determinant. Dx will be 4. So we know for the first column, not column, but the first row, it should be plus, minus, then plus. So 4 lies at plus, so it will be 4 into bracket 5, -1, 9, -6. Then 1 stand at minus, so -1. So when you add this, don't use this column, you don't use this row, so you are left with -3, 2, 9, -6. Then -10 stand at positive, so it remain -10. So don't use this column and then don't use this row, so you'll be left with -3, 2, 5, -1. So you get the determinant. So it will be 4 times -30 minus -9, so it will make to be +9. Then -1 to bracket -6 times -3, you get 18, minus 18. Then -10, then 3 minus 10. So you get 84 plus 70. So minus 84 plus 70, you get minus 14. Again for the y, you don't use the y column. So you find the determinant of coefficients left when y column is covered up. So to have 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 5, -1, then -10, 9, -6. Then you can get the determinant again. So you'll have I'll have negative 30 plus 9 again, then minus 12 minus 9 minus 2 minus 5, this one. So minus 13 plus 9 minus 1, target minus 2, and then you get 28, that is dy. We continue dz, you get determinant of coefficients left when in z column is covered up. This is the z column. 1, 5, negative 1 is covered up. If you look at very well, there is no 1, negative 5, and negative z, negative 1, that is. So you get the determinant of this one. So it will be in 0. 18 minus 18 is 0. 3 is 0. Then minus 21 times minus 4, you get 84. Then 7 times negative 10, you get minus 70. So it will be 84 minus 70, get 14. Then D, calculate the determinant of coefficients left when constant column is covered up. This is the constant column. This is the constant column. So you don't include negative 10, 9. You don't include negative 10, 9, negative 6. You pick the other coefficients 3, 2, 1, 4, negative 3, 2, 1, 5, negative 1. Then again, you find the determinant, which is negative 103 minus 10, negative 2 minus 5, minus that is 4 plus 3. Then again, you get 14. So after there, go to your formula. D x is negative 14, dy is 28, dz is 14, and d is 14. Then you equate x over negative 14 is equal to negative 1 over 14. You make x the subject, you get is equal to 1. Then negative y over 28 is equal to negative 1 over 14. You make y the subject again, you get y is equal to 2. Then z over 14 is negative 1 over 14. You make z the subject, get negative 1. And that is the head of that solution. So y is 2, z is negative 1, and the x is 1. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to support.